Houston, the local time here is 3:04. There has been a time change. We're on Central Standard Time. We've ensured your safe and early arrival here today, and for your continued safety, we ask you to please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until we come to a complete and final stop at the gate area. Once we reach that final stop, Captain Dabney will turn off the sign as his indication to us that it's safe to be up and about the cabin. When he does turn the sign off at the gate, we ask you to please check the overhead bins and seat back pockets in front of you and the seat area around you for any personal items that you might have brought on board with you today. Please use extra caution in opening the overhead bins as items may get shifted during our flight. Feel free to turn your cell phone on to the active mode. You can check your United app for any connecting gate information you might have received or updates. We'll also be met by uniformed agents just inside the terminal area as you exit the jetway, and they'll be able to assist you as well with any questions you might have about connecting flights and any questions you might have about facilities such as the location of ground transportation and baggage claim. We're arriving at Terminal C like in Charlie, Gate C44. And for those of you that have checked bags and are ending your travels here in Houston, you can claim those at Carousel C like in Charlie 3. We know you had a choice in carriers today, and we certainly appreciate you joining us here at United at the Friendly Skies, and hope to see you again in the near future the next time your plans call for air travel. If you're returning home to the Houston area, we'd like to say welcome home. If you're here on business or pleasure, we'd like to wish you a pleasant stay. And if you're continuing your journey elsewhere this evening, we'd like to wish you safe travels wherever your final destination may take you. Thanks again. Have a great rest of your week, and come back and see us soon.